Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mirror the applications from your LENOVO Idea Tab Plus to your PC. To screen mirror these applications, so any applications that you have on your tablet, you're gonna need to use the Smart Connect app that is pre-installed on your tablet, and you can easily get it on your PC too. So basically what you're gonna need to do on your tablet is open this application and then give it all the permissions that it asks you for. And that's it. You can optionally also sign into your Lenovo account, and after that you're gonna have to enter the Microsoft Store on your computer, find Smart Connect application by Lenovo in there, and then open it. And after that, to mirror your screen, you're gonna have to first connect your devices. To connect your devices, click Add a Device on the sidebar, then select Pair with QR code, and then on your tablet, tap this plus icon, then no, not show the QR code, but scan the QR code, and then use the camera of your tablet to scan the QR code that you see on your PC's screen, and then your device will be paired. So let's get started, either on our computer or on our tablet. And right now, what we're gonna have to do is click Screen Share, then Start Screen Share. And then we're gonna have to allow the screen sharing on our tablet. So let's tap Allow, and then click Accept. And then the screen of our tablet will be displayed on our computer. So let's see what it looks like. And right now we can open any application on our tablet and start streaming it to our computer. We can either even open videos in full screen mode. So let's okay, I'm not really sure how to. Okay, so like this, and we can basically just do anything that we want, and you can also control your tablet from your computer if you'd like. So you can basically use your mouse pointer to control your tablet, play and pause video, change settings, the quality, and everything else. And to stop this streaming, either just close this window or just do the same thing on your tablet. So just stop streaming, and that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.